when you got a young person, those guys are doers. You know, they're not sitting here to listen to us talk. Give him responsibilities, give him project to do on their own with guidance of one of us. So it's no problem, and my club start doing this. The membership chair is a young guy, but his assistant is one of the old traditional guys, so they can share the ideas. That way we can really give him the leadership. We always say that Rotary is made out of leaders, and I don't think that you'll bring a leader and ask him to sit in a chair for 3 years and he will continue sitting in the chair without giving responsibility. The join Rotary, young people join Rotary to do projects, to implement their ideas and what they like to see us doing. If we ask them to sit for 3 years or 2 years until their time comes to be a leader, they leave us. And that's what's been happening. So now we have to change. I think this time things should change. You join Rotary, if you're capable, you should have a project in your hand within a year. And if you're good, there is no problem with being one of the foundation chair or membership chair or whatever positions they can give you, and provide you with some coaching from one of the seasoned Rotarians.
One of the big things about being in a club that's a little bit smaller, it gave me the opportunity to really get involved. I was able to be a president at a really young age, which was fantastic, and I really wanted to get involved with the board and be able to make decisions about where we were going with the club. Our members are able to get involved. They're given jobs that they really love. They're given the opportunity to build their own careers, build their own selves as leaders, and that's something that I love about the model and what we're doing.
There are so many opportunities to get people involved and engaged. For example, everyone on our board is very new to Rotary but has already stepped up, and it's a power team. That everyone's awesome, everyone's excited. We've been doing a lot of things. And in addition to that, we're really trying to engage our membership. So as opposed to keeping the power just with our board, we're really trying to get all of our members involved through committees and planning activities and social activities.
If you were to join a more traditional Rotary club, it might be an awkward time of year and committees are set and established. But I would say if older clubs are looking to gain new members, then they need to engage those members and they would need to listen to those members, you know, and have some new ideas, and maybe there's technology involved, that sort of thing. But that's what's going to get younger people involved and wanting to stay involved.